Trying to get ready for the big storm coming. It's probably 1 a.m. They should block a lot. They might have to hunker down on the side or something. I got those guys taken care of. And these guys, I got them with the tin on there, and then I covered it with a ledge, and then I even put some plastic up. So they should be alright. Come on, Jude, let them make it, let them see what they're making. Let me show y'all what we're coming in. It ain't coming for a while. I'll give you a taste. Junior! Get over here now! Man, I'm standing in ants. Gosh darn, done up and done it. I done up and done it. Alright, it's coming in over here. Right? And then I'm gonna turn in a second. I'm gonna turn completely the opposite way. Towards the moon now. It's over there too, wait. Just wait a sec. It's coming, man, from all different angles. You gotta buckle down the hatches. You can't get tired and just go to sleep halfway through the day. Stuff needs to be done. You gotta get up and do it. Otherwise, all your hard work would be for nothing. God bless y'all. Remember, through God, all things are possible. Peace.